How to fix my Spotify Wrapped not showing up. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can check out your Spotify Wrapped by searching for spotify.com/wrapped and clicking on the link here. Now if you have your Spotify Wrapped, it will be visible right over here. But as you can see, I don't have a Wrapped this year as well. So this is because I have not been using my Spotify frequently this year, and as well as if you have recently installed your Spotify application, you will not have the Spotify Wrapped. However, if you see at the top, you will find a Wrapped option which you can click on to check out top artists and track globally in 2024. So you can just go ahead and browse through this playlist instead. However, if that is not the case and you are a frequent user of Spotify and still you cannot find your Wrapped, then try this next step. Launch your phone settings and scroll down to check out the apps option and head over to all apps. Then click on the Spotify application in which you need to force stop it and tap on OK. After that, tap on Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, now you can check out the Open button to launch your Spotify. The last resort is to uninstall your Spotify and reinstall it later. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for watching.